How are we doing? So what you're looking at here is an Aiwa AX 7600 stereo receiver, and this came via eBay, and I have a thing for these big old receivers. The story with this one, it came from some hi-fi repair place in Scotland that closed down, and the guy I got it from, he managed to get a few bits and pieces out of there. So long story short, it ended up here. Funny story, I ordered this, and I ordered one from a site here, like a buy and sell site we have here, and the one here made it from Scotland quicker. Well, the one from the buy and sell site here is not here yet. So I have a thing for these big old receivers. This does have some issues. It's only working on one channel, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the hood and see what's going on inside. Okay, so we have it asunder here. Well, I just popped the covers off. The complaint I was told with this is that there's no sound from the speakers, so we said we'd pop it open and have a look. It's Modular Construction, as we can see. So your PA tuner, as part of your tone control, and underneath there as well, nice big screened section there for all your outlets. And most cheaper hi-fis, you'll see that like they're not screened, like in that one there. They're just there. Go upside down. I would hazard a guess that that is the phono section. Couple of low pass filters on it. Power supply. Couple of nice big filter caps. One for each channel. Anyhow, as to why it is not working. Yeah. Can we get to that now where it is? I wonder. It's over here. Yeah, we'll have to pull this board. There is what's left of our protection relay. So that explains a lot. So we'll get a new one of them. And that should bring us a long way. So what the plan is we're going to get this old girl up and running, that she makes a bit of noise, and then we will systematically go through each section one at a time and recap it and all that good stuff, and replace anything dodgy or damaged that we find along the way. She's not too bad, she's nice and clean inside, which is a good sign that it was stored correctly. Oh yeah, a bit of it's 13 or 14 kilos this thing. It's awkward enough to drag it around on the bench, so I'm quite pleased with that. The lid, someone battered the bejesus out of it with I don't know, but that's an easy fix. We'll beat it out, put a bit of Bondo in it, as our American friends call it, and give it a shot of primer and a shot of paint. But she's a nice old girl, this. Oh, 40 watts a channel, I think, into 8 ohms. It is missing the glass that goes in front of here, and that is rather unfortunate. because the chances of me finding one of them are very slim. So I'll have to make one out of perspex or something. Yeah, so all the meter lights are out. No surprise there. Just trying to figure out what way the meter lighting is done. Anyway, we'll be back. Right, so we've had a bit of a poke about in here, and everything's good with the exception of the relay. And power supply checks out fine. All the rails are there, so that's good. And there's a little bit of discoloration there at that regulator, but that's kind of normal enough. We might put a bit of a heat sink on that. Keep that cool. Yep, so what we're going to do for now is we're going to put it back together and put it away. I need to find out a few bits and pieces, what needs to be ordered, and all that good stuff. And we'll take it from there once we have parts. So come on soon.